Hi, we're Big Y's registered dietitians, Andrea
and Carrie. February is Heart Month. What better way to love your heart than with berries?
Here are 2 recipes featuring frozen raspberries that you're sure to love.
Razz Crush Red Party Punch. Mash a thawed bag of frozen raspberries slightly and empty into serving pitcher. Add pineapple juice, lime juice, and lemon juice to pitcher. Garnish punch with frozen raspberries, lemon slices, and lime slices. To serve, fill glasses 2/3 full and top with sparkling water or wine.
Individual PB and raspberry pies. Combine oats, flour, sugar, and salt, then cut in butter. Incorporate peanut butter and press into bottom of jars. Place thawed raspberries, cornstarch, and salt in a bowl and stir. Distribute evenly among jars. Top with more peanut butter mixture and bake. Garnish with peanuts and raspberries to enjoy.
For these recipes and more,
visit BigY.com.